How to do a pre-drive vehicle inspection. Have you ever wondered how to ensure your vehicle is safe before hitting the road? Performing a pre-drive vehicle inspection is a smart habit, especially for teenagers learning to drive. This practice helps catch potential issues before they become serious problems. Let's break down the steps to do a thorough inspection. First, start with the exterior of the vehicle. Check the tires for proper inflation and look for any visible damage like cuts or bald spots. Good tire condition is vital for traction and control. Next, inspect all lights, including headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights. Make sure they are working properly, as functioning lights are essential for visibility and communication with other drivers. Now take a look at the mirrors. Ensure they are clean, intact, and correctly adjusted for clear rear and side views. Don't forget to check the windshield and windows for any cracks or dirt that could impair your visibility. Lastly, look under the vehicle for any fluid leaks, which could indicate mechanical problems. If you feel comfortable doing so, check under the hood. Verify that the battery connections are secure and free of corrosion. Check the fluid levels such as engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Low fluid levels can affect your vehicle's performance and safety. Also, look for any signs of damage or wear in belts and hoses. Next, let's move inside the vehicle. Adjust your seat and head restraint to ensure a comfortable and safe driving position. Adjust all mirrors to minimize blind spots. Fasten your seatbelt and make sure all passengers do the same. Familiarize yourself with the location and function of important controls and gauges, like the speedometer and fuel gauge. Before you start driving, test the brakes gently to ensure they respond properly. Check that the steering wheel moves smoothly without resistance. Make sure the parking brake is released before moving. Finally, confirm that all doors are properly closed and locked. Check that the vehicle is in the correct gear. Look around for any obstacles, pedestrians, or other vehicles before pulling away. Always use your turn signals to indicate your intention to move. By performing these checks regularly, you build responsibility and awareness, which are key to safe driving. This simple routine can help protect you, your passengers, and others on the road. Remember, a pre-drive vehicle inspection is an effective way to ensure a safe driving experience.